When you think about home security, locks and alarm systems often come to mind first. However, your doors play a much bigger role in protecting your household than many realize. For Fleming Island families, where homes face Florida's humidity, seasonal storms, and the everyday need for safety, a door replacement is more than just a cosmetic update. It's an investment in peace of mind. Let's explore how replacing your doors can significantly enhance the security of your Fleming Island home. Stronger materials for better protection. Older doors, especially wood ones, can warp, crack, or weaken over time, making them easier to break through. In contrast, modern replacement doors are built with durability in mind. Options like steel, fiberglass, and reinforced wood provide far more resistance against forced entry. For families in Fleming Island, steel and fiberglass are especially beneficial. Not only are they stronger, but they also hold up well against the area's humid climate, reducing the risks of warping that compromise security. Improved locking systems. Many older doors only have a simple lock and key system. Unfortunately, these outdated locks can be easily picked or forced open. New replacement doors often come with multi-point locking systems, smart locks, and reinforced strike plates, all of which drastically improve home security. For parents raising families in Fleming Island, these upgrades mean greater confidence that your children and loved ones are protected, whether you're home or away. Enhanced storm resistance. In coastal Florida communities like Fleming Island, storm security is just as important as protection against break-ins. Old doors may not be sealed tightly, making them vulnerable to wind, rain, and even flying debris during tropical storms. Impact-resistant replacement doors not only protect against intruders but also stand strong in hurricane conditions. These doors are tested to withstand extreme weather, giving you dual protection, both from storms and from unwanted visitors. Better frame and hardware reinforcement. The security of a door isn't just about the slab itself. It's also about the frame and hardware. Over time, wooden frames may soften due to moisture, while hinges can loosen, creating weak points intruders can exploit. When you invest in door replacement, you also get reinforced frames, stronger hinges, and tamper-proof screws, ensuring that every part of the entryway works together to keep your family safe. Smart door options for modern security. Today's replacement doors can also integrate with modern technology. Many families in Fleming Island are upgrading to doors with smart locks, video doorbells, and keyless entry systems. These features allow you to monitor your front door from anywhere, giving you real-time updates on who's at your home. For busy families, this provides convenience and adds another layer of security. No more hiding spare keys under the mat. Increased privacy and control. Security isn't only about keeping intruders out, it's also about protecting your privacy. Older doors with thin materials or outdated glass inserts can make it easy for strangers to see inside. Replacement doors give you the option of frosted, tinted, or impact-resistant glass that maintains natural light while limiting visibility. Families can feel more comfortable knowing their home isn't on display. Final thoughts for families in Fleming Island. A door replacement is more than a home improvement. It's a commitment to safety, resilience, and peace of mind. With stronger materials, advanced locking systems, storm resistance, and even smart technology, new doors provide the protection your household deserves. If your current doors are old, worn, or simply not up to modern security standards, upgrading now can prevent future risks and give you confidence that your loved ones are safe. In a place where family comes first, investing in a secure, high-quality door is one of the smartest steps you can take to safeguard your home.